Latching onto its prey with hundreds of razor-sharp teeth, it's not the anaconda's bite that kills. A non-venomous snake, the anaconda employs its long, muscular body to coil around its jungle prey and patiently suffocate them. Meals are swallowed whole. Disengaging the lower jaw, the snake can stretch its mouth around food far bigger than its head. With the menu as wide as its gape, the anaconda preys on all that the Amazon has to offer. A top-order predator of the Amazon, the greatest threat to the deadly anaconda is from man. Prized for their legendary status, as well as their magnificent skin, the surprisingly shy and elusive nature of these snakes has so far kept them safe, allowing the legend to continue to grow. From the waters to the trees, the Amazon rainforest is a densely interwoven ecosystem, and one humble creature is the true embodiment of this. Sloths are the most prevalent tree-dwelling mammals in South America. They are also the least conspicuous. Concealed within the rainforest canopy, sloths display a distinctive preference for the widely distributed Cecropia tree, also known as the sloth tree. Sloths coexist as one with the jungle, to the point where their coat is a jungle in microcosm. Considered walking ecosystems, sloths' bodies are covered in thick coats that harbor their own animal and plant life. With the Amazon's almost daily rainfall and high humidity, the sloth provides a hairy habitat for moisture-seeking moths, beetles, cockroaches, and a specialized form of algae. Found nowhere else in the world, this host-specific microorganism has evolved with the sloth and is passed on to infants as they cling to their mother's fur. While the algae aids in camouflage, this symbiotic relationship also extends to the sloth's diet. As folivores, the sloth's main food source is leaves, which are not only tough to digest, but provide little energy. By growing and consuming their own algae gardens, sloths are able to boost their nutritionally poor diet. But even with a boost to their diets, sloths carry around 20% less muscle tissue than most mammals. Lacking the ability to make a quick getaway, sloths are at the mercy of Amazon's many predators. Predators like the jaguar. An expert climber, sloths can do little to defend themselves from this feline foe, but little is exactly what they do. Inactive for great parts of the day, sloths only move when necessary, hence the name, sloth. Often remaining in the same tree for years, when sloths do move, they are quiet, gentle, and slow, minimizing disturbance to the foliage and never calling attention to themselves. In this way, a lack of speed is advantageous. The sloth's economy of movement, leaving predators completely oblivious to their presence. In their own effortless style, sloths are masters of the Amazon. But their success in the rainforest has come at a cost, with sloths unable to survive outside their specific habitat. As the embodiment of the interconnectivity of the jungle, to preserve the Amazon is to preserve the sloth. The vast expanse of the jungle, its rainforest and river systems, its mangroves and marshes, has fostered a diversity of life and a diversity of caiman. Members of the ancient order of crocodilians, caiman are another apex predator of the Amazon's waterways. With 6 species, from the diminutive dwarf caiman to the mighty 5-meter-long black caiman, all are found in the Amazon. Once covering most of South America, the Amazon rainforest is over 55 million years old. Perfectly in tune with this ancient environment, the caiman's lineage is even more prehistoric, and they are considered among the most perfectly adapted creatures on the planet. Propelling themselves through the water with their thick, powerful tails and webbed feet, caiman are excellent swimmers with dominion over the Amazon's rivers and lakes. Hunting primarily by sight, their large eyes have vertical pupils, allowing for excellent night vision. An additional transparent eyelid grants protection and clearer vision while stalking beneath the surface of the Amazon's waterways. Snatching prey in their powerful toothy jaws, they are opportunistic predators, taking advantage of whatever food source is most abundant. With a wide diet including fish, amphibians, insects and snails, as well as other reptiles and large mammals, for caiman, the Amazon is a smorgasbord. But the Amazon also knows privation. During the annual dry season, the waters recede and ecosystems once connected by floodplains and streams become cut off, reducing the caiman's hunting grounds. But caiman are equipped to wait the dry season out, able to go for months without food. Conserving energy, they reduce their hunting activity.